So part of your lab today is asking you to make a dilution. So a dilution is just where you can prepare a solution that is less concentrated than your original solution. So in essentially, you're going to be adding water to your original solution to give it a new concentration, okay, which is going to be less than your original. So here we have an example that I'm going to work through, and I'll have two because I'll work through both of these with you. So we have a formula for dilution. We have like our original concentration, right? Our concentrated, like our higher molarity, and then this is our dilution values. Okay, so we can call this an M1, V1, M2, V2. So for example, it says, how would you prepare a 60 milliliter, 2 molar nitric acid solution, okay, from a stock solution? So this is our new dilution that we're making. So we're just going to plug it in. This is like our number 2, and this is our number 1. So we're just going to plug in our values. So if M2, that's 2.0, and then volume is 60. Okay, then I'm going to look at my molarity for number 1 is 4. And then I don't know the volume. Okay, that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for how much of this original solution I'm going to need. So I'm just going to solve. So 4 times V1 equals 120, and then I'm dividing by 4. So my volume is going to be 30 milliliters. So this is saying that I need 30 milliliters of this 4 molar solution. Okay, so that means that in my graduated cylinder, up until about 30, I'm going to put my 4 molar solution. Okay, then in order to dilute it, right, it tells me that I want 60 milliliters. I'm just going to add the remaining amount is just going to be water. Okay, so let's do this practice problem here. So this is saying I have 50 milliliters of a 2 molar, so that's like my original, okay, my concentrated value. Okay, and it says how many milliliters do I need in order to dilute my solution to 1.5? So my original value is 2 times 50. Okay, that's my concentrated amount. That's what I'm starting with. And then my new molarity is 1.5, and then I'm looking for my volume for V2. So I'm just going to plug it in. So 100 divided by 1.5 is 66.7 milliliters. Okay, so what this is saying is that if I need like this is my total volume, right, of my final solution. So this is like saying my final solution is going to be 66.7 milliliters. Okay. If I started with 50 of my 2 molar solution, right? That means that this amount is going to be water. So the difference between what I started with and what I'm ending with. Okay, so you can kind of think as 1 is like your start, and 2 is like your end value, if that helps. So hopefully you do have a dilution homework problem. So hopefully this